Alright, so I'm going to show kind of a walkthrough on Tumblr, posting a blog, posting a photo, links, and of course deleting them and things like that. So to get started, let's have me log out of here. So for you to log into Tumblr, you'll just go, can't type, tumblr.com. It automatically takes you to a sign up screen. We don't want to do that, but there's a login button over here on the bottom left. That's where you'll log in. And then you can log in with your username and password. Okay, so now this just shows, you know, if you like certain Tumblr blogs, this just kind of shows you that. If you click over here, this will show you all of your posts. I deleted everything so we can start fresh. Okay, so let me get back to the home so that you see how your screen would look. So this is when you first log in. I'm going to make a blog post. So I'm going to click on this text, this A, and click on that. I'm going to just grab an existing blog post that I have on another website of mine. Copy that, but here's where you'll put the title, right here. And then down here, this is where you start typing. Okay, so you've typed in a title for your blog post, you've got some content here. Now you'll see these are links. To make a link, you're just going to highlight what you want to link, and then you're going to click this little infinity symbol type of thing, like an 8, figure 8. Click on that and type in your link, test.com. And then you can have it open the link in a new window. So I would recommend, if you're going to link to another page outside of your blog, so maybe your author page or just another friend's blog post or something like that, I would have them open the link in a new window. That way it doesn't take them away from your blog, just has them go on a new, it'll basically open up a new tab. So we'll do that. Alright, now let's say you wanted to put in a photo in here. You're going to do that with this little photo icon. You'll upload the image. So let's, you'll navigate to where you want, put in a photo, click open, and there's your photo. Let's say you want to make something bold. You've got your bold, you've got your italic here, your strike through. So it's pretty much kind of like Word, pretty simple there. You can make some numbered lists, bulleted, indent things. Now, if you're familiar with HTML a little bit, or you've done some research on it, if you click this, HTML, this will open up HTML. So here you can kind of play with things in a little bit more of an advanced way. And then you uncheck that, or unclick it if you want to get back to the way things were. Okay, so that just basically made everything big. We don't want that. So, in your case, this probably wouldn't happen, but if it does, that's where you're going to kind of want to know some HTML. I'm just going to remove this H2 and this H2. Basically in HTML language, that's just header 2, so it would be things like your titles for your blog posts, subtitles. It's just a way to make the font bigger. So I've got that fixed. Okay, so now you would post. Now since this is just a test post, I'm not going to have this linked to my Twitter. We'll get to that in a second, but basically anytime you post, you can link it to your Twitter or your Facebook. And it would post automatically on there. And then if you didn't want it to post automatically, like you're just doing a test, you would just unclick this so that it's not colored. So when it is colored, that means it is linked and it will post. If it's not colored, then it won't post. Over here on this post, there's like a drop down caret. If you click on that, you can schedule a future post. If you want to maybe make a few posts for the week, for the month, this is how you would do that. And then you can save it as draft if you're not ready to finish this up yet. You can preview it. I'm just going to click on post. Okay, so here's my post. And again, if you click on this home, it'll take you to your dashboard. You'll see your post in here with others. If you just want to see yours, you'll click on this post over here. Now you want to see what it looks like. So you can click on well, I'm going to just open up a new tab and refresh. So you'll just go to your website address, veronicajaeger.tumblr.com. This is just really a test blog for me. And there it is. I refreshed my screen and there's my blog post. All right, now let's say you don't want that post. Let's say you're just testing it, you want to delete it. You can automatically go to your dashboard here, but since I've already got it open here, I'm going to click on this other window. All right, so to delete this post, if you scroll down a little bit, there's a little wheel. Click on that. You can either edit the post or delete it. I'm going to delete it. Now if you go back to your website, refresh your screen, you'll see that it's gone. If you want to post a link just very quickly, you could do that here. You would put the website address here, title, caption, post. Same thing if you just want to upload a quick photo with the caption, click on the photo, upload your photo, and put a little caption, and then click on post. This tool right here, this is if you want to create tags, basically kind of like keywords. So if you're posting a photo about Paris, you could put Paris, France, Europe, etc. I'm going to cancel this. You can also do the same thing, audio, video, want to post a quick quote to your blog. That's kind of how you'll do that. Now if there's things you want to basically customize to your blog page itself, so if you want to add a page or delete a page or edit a page, you'll do that over here in this customize. Now don't worry about what this shows you. This is just generic stuff. It's not really showing up on your page, so you don't have to worry about that. See, there's nothing here. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to edit and delete a page, or add it. Over here, it's kind of hard to see this, but if you're kind of hover over in between this dark gray box and then your page, you'll get a scroller bar. So you'll want to take that bar, click it, drag it all the way down to the bottom. And these are your pages. So I've got a services page, about, and a pricing, and that's reflected over here. I'm going to click add a page. Now, if you click on this, this is going to actually show the link here. If you don't want it to be linked on your page for whatever reason, you would keep that unchecked and then it would not show up on your menu or your navigation bar. I'm going to click it for purposes of this. So this right here, URL, you have to put that in. That's going to be the website address for that particular page that you're creating. So I'm going to create like a where to buy my books page. So I'll put where to buy. Page title. This is what everyone will see. So where to buy my books. And then over here, Amazon, Nook, Kobo. And then over here you will click on your links, put your link for your Amazon page, Nook, Kobo, etc. Sometimes this does get hung up. So if you, let's see, let's try update preview if that goes away. That's not going away. Let's try save. And let's go click this back arrow. And now to edit the page, you just click on it. And now you can get back in here and do what you need to do. Okay. So again, in case I went through that quickly, I'm going to do it one more time. So again, you've got your dark gray box and then your page. If you just hover in between the two, you're going to get your scroller bar, scroll all the way to the bottom. This is where you can add the page. Let me show you quickly how to delete any of these X's. Just click on that and it's going to delete it. Let's say you want to move where to buy my books above services. You just click where to buy and drag it. So click, hold, and drag it above. And then it will reflect over here. But let's delete a page. So delete, delete. Okay, I'm going to add that page one more time. Where to buy my books. Amazon, Nook, Kobo, and save. Sometimes this is a little finicky, so if you don't click update preview, it won't give you that save button. So if you don't see the save button, click the update preview and then you can save. So let's make a change. Enjoy. See, I don't have the save button and it won't let me save without it, so we'll click update preview and then you have the save button. Alright, once you've done that, you can click this back arrow to get back to where you were. And so again, click and drag. You can have it go wherever you'd like. Exit gets you back to where you were. Let's refresh my page. And there it is. I moved it just below services. If I want to move it back, go to customize. Scroll all the way to the bottom and move it up. Alright, exit. And you are good to go. Let's refresh. There it is. Where to buy my books. So that is, in a nutshell, how to work with Tumblr. If you have any questions, we're always available for you. Give us a call or shoot us an email. Take care.